Okay, in another video, I went over how to check some forms for ADA compliance issues. We like to use this tool called wave.webaim.org. And what you do is you go to wave.webaim.org, you enter in the URL, and do a search to find out what the issues are for ADA compliance issues. Right now, there's some issues. There's multiple forms on this page. And in the last video, we went over this error right here, which is a form control has more than one label associated with it. So if you want to look at how to resolve that issue, please reference the video on resolving multiple form labels, issues, and forms. Another issue that we came across with this particular form is this issue that says missing form label. A form control does not have a corresponding label. And what we've come to discover, and if we go to application to reactivate accommodations, so we're going to come to forms, and application to reactivate accommodations. What we have discovered is a couple things. Well, actually, let's look at birth date as well. Actually, I'll put that in a separate video. Accommodations. Let's stick with this. So, we're getting an error with this disability information. And what it is this is called a multi-select field. And what that is under standard fields, you can select a multi-select field. Bring it in, fill in your choices, and then you can select these multiple items at a time. Well, this particular multi-select form field turns out is not ADA compliant. So what you have to do instead, and we've already started this here, is this has to be converted into into checkboxes. So instead of multi-select, it should be checkboxes. So what you do is you grab checkboxes, pull this over. I'm just going to delete this one. Start editing this one. And then you edit your choices here. So we have ADD, ADHD, blind, low vision, upper body coordination, learning, speech, acquired, brain injury, psychology, psychological. All right, insert those choices. Actually, here's a little shortcut. Click on bulk add. We'll select all these options. Copy. Click on this one, bulk add. Insert choices. Now we're going to remove this multi-select, which is not ADA compliant. And we are going to update. Now, we're going to go back to our report here. So you can see this is not compliant. We're going to do a refresh. And now, again, it doesn't look as pretty, but sometimes you have to make some sacrifices to make it ADA compliant. Now, these are all 100% ADA compliant. So that is how you resolve missing form label issues with these multi-select boxes.